Hey Pan, we don't often discuss interior detailing products. Well guys, I fully agree, but do you honestly want me to tell you what I think of this P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner? Well, yeah, because it's currently my top interior cleaner. It pretty much cleans any hard interior surface, vinyl, plastic, leather, you name it, this does the job. You're gonna get all the tips and tricks on how to use it. You're also gonna see a few demos in this video. And well, you're gonna learn everything there is to know. You guys know I love P&S. They make Bead Maker, one of my favorite paint protectants that's so glossy and so slick. And they also make Brake Buster, a wheel cleaner. And both those products recently took home prizes in my annual Car Detailing Products Awards video. So how's this one? Well, of course, you're gonna find out, so stay tuned. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan, welcome to the show. I hope you guys are having a great day, so let's dig right into it. Today I'll be talking about P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner and why it's currently my favorite interior cleaner. You guys, if you've been following my channel, you know that I absolutely love P&S. The two owners of the company, Bob and Dave Phillips, are actually two brothers. So Dave is the chemist behind all this madness, and Bob is more the business brain behind all of this. And I met those two brothers in 2018 at my first trip to the SEMA show in Las Vegas. And we got to talk more about one of my favorite paint sealants, and it's called Bead Maker. So this can be applied on top of existing waxes, paint sealants, and ceramic coatings. And why I love this is mainly for the gloss and slickness, guys. I also have a review on my channel, so check that out. And this took first place for my favorite paint sealant in my 2019 Car Detailing Products Awards video. And another product that took first place is their wheel cleaner called Brake Buster. Again, I have a review of this on my channel. So it mimics the acid-based wheel cleaners, but this is non-acid, so safe for pretty much all wheel finishes. You can also use this on tires. It can be diluted. This was the real deal. So guys, by the way, don't worry, I'll include the links to all the products and the tools shown in this video in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. Also, if you haven't done so yet and you want to learn more about car detailing, so all the products, equipment, tips, tricks, and techniques, make sure you hit the subscribe button that's found under the video, and that way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. And while you're down there, hit the notifications icon, and that's the bell icon. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a video to YouTube. So I first got introduced to this Xpress Interior Cleaner by P&S by Matt Morman from Obsessed Garage. So I always like to give credit where credit is due. So Matt, shout out to you. He was using this interior cleaner and fell in love. Sometimes I'm late to the show because I'm very cautious about some products that I review on my channel, because I like to test them and make sure that they live up to my standards. And boy, did this one deliver. I can't believe P&S hit another home run with this product. So what does it do? You guys know I love everything that's related to the exterior, but you also have to take care of the interior. So this is an interior cleaner. Essentially, initially, it was developed, believe it or not, as a leather cleaner. So this comes directly from Dave, the chemist of P&S. So he developed this as a leather cleaner, and like many other products, they noticed that the cleaning power of this was gentle enough, yet strong enough on leather, but also all interior hard surfaces, such as vinyl and plastics. So this is amazing for your center console armrest, for your dash, your door cards, your door trim. Of course, well, as we mentioned, your leather seats as well. This does an awesome job. It has kind of that foaming action. It smells absolutely incredible. And the cool thing about it is that it leaves absolutely no residue. So that was very important because it leaves no streaks, no residue, no type of oily or greasy finish on the surface. This is just a pure cleaner. So it's going to leave a satin OEM feel to any product or any part or any surface of the interior that you apply this to. And of course, it's going to do a great job at removing oil or light stains and that kind of stuff. Of course, this is not made for heavy stain removal, so there are other products in the lineup that are good for that. But basically, well, all the dirt and oil that you'll find on those interior hard surfaces, this does the job. It also comes in different sizes. I have a gallon here, and this one here is the pint, or 16 ounces, and the price is so inexpensive, guys. I don't even know how they do this. Again, so if we have a close-up here at the front, we're gonna see together. So it cleans leather, it cleans vinyl and plastic, of course. and it's safe on all surfaces. So this is very important. Although this is not a glass cleaner, so I wouldn't use this on glass. I've even found some uses. If I spray it onto a microfiber towel, I can also clean the infotainment systems, although always try on inconspicuous areas, guys. But what I really love this for, well, it has a super amazing fragrance. You really have to use it to understand it. It gives that light, clean smell. So this is no cheap scented material. Trust me, when you use this, you actually feel that the interior is cleaner. And it leaves no residue when you use it. So how do you use it? Well, it's very, very simple. You're gonna spray it onto the surface or onto a microfiber towel. I like to use a low nap towel. Again, make sure to check the links in the description under the video for all the tools and products. So a microfiber towel is pretty much all you need. So this does enough scrubbing that you can do the most parts of the surfaces with it. But what I like to do for light agitation, because this is what really helps with the trick, is using these Detail Factory brushes. These are the synthetic ones with the bristles that are so soft. They're kind of like makeup brushes. I love to use these for the interior because they're good to help agitate the Xpress Interior Cleaner into the pores of perforated leather, like I have in my own BMW. So essentially, you're gonna go ahead and lather all that part up, brush up and down, left and right, or circular motion. It doesn't really matter. And once you're done, you simply mop up with a microfiber towel and the job is done. So again, it's gonna leave no residue. It's gonna remove all the dirt and soiling that's on the surface, especially bodily oils. We all know that leather treated surfaces often have that oily residue, so we don't like that. It's supposed to have a matte appearance. So your body transfers oils onto those leather surfaces and they need to get cleaned. So this does a great job at that. You're gonna see that nice foaming action when you're brushing or using the product. And then you mop up with a microfiber towel and that's it. You're gonna see how easy this is to use. One pass with this is more than enough unless you have some very, very heavily soiled seats. So maybe you'll need a second pass, but in my case, on a vehicle that's often maintained well, you guys are absolutely gonna love it. The finish, again, that it leaves is this matte OEM look, as if it was new from the factory, but it has that silky satin smooth feeling to it. I don't know how to describe it. You guys will have to use it and you tell me. For the ones who have, drop a comment in the comment section under the video and let me know, because I'm pretty sure you get the same experience that I did. And honestly, well, that's it. It leaves a finish that looks brand new, and that's what we want. You can leave it as is if that's what you want, because some people don't like dressings. Or if you want to add protection afterwards, you can go ahead and apply your favorite interior protectant to boost maybe some UVA, UVB protection and protect against fading and cracking. But this is as good as a cleaner that I've ever tested. And currently, well, it ranks #1 for my favorite interior cleaner, guys. By the way, for those of you who love value as much as I do, well, know that you can get these bigger sizes like this gallon format, and you can dilute Xpress Interior Cleaner up to 1:1 with water. So you're gonna get 2 gallons for the price of 1. I don't know what else to say. It has done a crazy awesome job. Even in my girlfriend's SUV. So many of my customers, of course, they love detailing, so they take care of their cars. But I have many friends and family who always neglect their daily drivers. And well, my girlfriend is one of them. She's kind of lucky to have me because I take care of her car as much as I can, but she really neglects it, doesn't really pay attention. So for example, the door card in her vehicle was full of spots and dirtiness, kind of stains. I don't even know where it came from. Was it she left the door open when it was raining one day? Who knows, guys? But the P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner did a wonderful job with that. A couple of sprays, microfiber towel, wiped it off, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. You can flip the towel over on the dry side if you want to give a quick and light buff, and that's it. It restored the finish to what it's supposed to look like. More importantly, it leaves it clean, and there's that fragrance that is absolutely awesome. So again, Bob and Dave from P&S, big thumbs up to both of you guys. You came out with another wonderful product that, again, has made it in my top of whatever category they're in. I don't know how you guys do it. So guys, if you're interested, well, again, I have reviews on my channel for all the P&S products that I've tested up to now, whether we're talking about the Bean Maker. This is their paint protectant that boosts gloss and slickness like there's no tomorrow. I have a review on that. We have the Brake Buster. This is their all-wheel cleaner. So it has a acid cleaning power, but this is non-acid based, so safe on all OEM wheel finishes. And now we have the Xpress Interior Cleaner. So a cleaner that's good for vinyl, plastics, and leather, basically all hard interior surfaces in your vehicle. Again, I'll make sure to include the links to these products in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. I want to give a big shout out over to Bob and Dave Phillips from P&S for sponsoring this video and making all of this possible. You guys do some amazing detailing products, and of course, hats off to you. So guys, in the comment section under the video, let me know, did you guys try one of these P&S products? And what is the next P&S products that you guys want me to review and why? Let me know. Take a second and click the subscribe button that's found under the video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel, never miss my future videos. Also follow me on my Instagram page because you never know what cool content is going to be on there. So guys, thanks for being there. Thanks for watching. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you on the next one.